Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, today we will see numerical based on EMF and cell. So let us start with numerical number 1. Now in numerical number 1 we have if the battery of EMF 12 volts is connected across a resistance of 120 ohms and potential drop observed across the resistance is 11.8 volts. Calculate the internal resistance of cell. So let us start with the given quantities. Here the battery of EMF is 12 volts is given. So we know EMF is equal to 12 volts. Now which is connected across the resistance of 120 ohm means capital R is given, that is 120 ohm. The potential drop observed across a resistance is 11.8 means that is now terminal potential. So we write V is equal to 11.8 volts. Calculate the internal resistance of cell means R. Now we know the formula, that is EMF is equal to IR plus IR. Now here we have to find out what is the I value first. We know as per the Ohm's law V is equal to IR. Hence I is equal to V by R. Here V is the terminal potential and its value is 11.8 volts upon R is 120. Hence we will get the value of I is, that is 0.0983 amperes. Now let us substitute this value here. We have I R plus R. So here we want to find out the value of R. So the value of R will be here epsilon by I is equal to R plus R, that is internal resistance. Hence we can write down, we have a formula, that is epsilon by I is equal to R plus internal resistance R. Hence we can write internal resistance R is equal to EMF upon current minus capital R. Let us substitute the values here. We have 12, the current value is 0.0983 minus R, that is 120 volts. So after solving this, we will get the value of R is 2.075 ohms. Now this is the value of internal resistance. So by using this formula, we can find out the internal resistance of cell. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and please subscribe Ekeeda.